stunning what this man is capable of in and out of the ring.
I still can't get over the domineering display we witnessed last week from Omos when he took on Commander Aziz.
Oh, will they get a shot at redemption?
And his opponents, the team of Commander Aziz and Apollo Crews.
I understand we are about to watch Omos compete, but no one man can defeat two fully grown men, particularly when one of the other two is the massive Commander Aziz.
You got a point, Corey. Apollo Crews and Commander Aziz both facing back-to-back losses to Omos. So I do credit them saying, listen, if we can't do it individually, let's try to stop Omos together.
We're going to have to work together as a team.
I have to imagine Aziz felt a modicum of humiliation. Aziz has never been manhandled like that in his entire life, let alone to have it happen before the entire WWE Universe and in front of Apollo Crews.
And to be manhandled with such ease seemed almost impossible.
Unfortunately for Commander Aziz, he would join what has been a growing list of victims courtesy of Omos.
I don't know how Omos prepares for this. Already divide and conquer. Aziz on one side of the ring, Crews on the other.
Oh, great drop kick to get it started.
Aziz on the outside.
And this is the benefit of a two-on-one advantage for Crews and Aziz, but Omos,
oh, Insaguri right to the side of the head.
And right now, Omos is being overwhelmed by Commander Aziz and Apollo Crews.
Omos
Vice-like
Aziz.
A vice-like grip, right and left. Crews and Aziz are in trouble.
Not anymore.
Aziz, one of the few men on earth who could power his way out of that position. But beautiful uppercut.
Shoulder first goes Omos. Here Apollo Crews barking orders to Commander Aziz.
They started filming the sequel to Godzilla vs. King Kong today, this week. We don't need to look any further than here on Monday Night Raw.
Oh, sir.
Omos, though, looks like he has recovered. Trying to get back on the attack. He was surprised by the teamwork. He was surprised by the aggression. No more.
The match has officially started.
So far, they've taken advantage of Omos's tendency to over-focus on one person.
Another round of the Battle of the Giants here between Commander Aziz and Omos.
Podcast all over again. Let's go something different. How about that?
Notice Omos standing in the dead center of the ring. Good God, man. Look at this power. One arm.
Easily tossing around Commander Aziz.
Omos making it look easy. Apollo Crews from the middle rope will not fare any better.
Just jumped into a trap. Just said too weak.
Fully extended above Omos's head. Apollo Crews fell from about 10 feet, and that kick from Omos just turned Aziz's lights out.
He just chopped down a sequoia with one leg.
This is just another level of dominance we're seeing from Omos.
You could say that again, Saxon, because it's exactly what we're witnessing. Dominance.
This is your fault. Man, sit over. Man, sit over. Sit over. Sit this. This is your fault. This is your fault.
Omos telling Apollo Crews this is his fault.
All the way down goes Crews. Omos almost looks disgusted that he's got to deal with Apollo Crews and Commander Aziz.
Your malice in the eyes of the
Pinning them
Colossus.
both at the same time.
Four shoulders down.
Wow. Just wow.
Here is your winner,
Omos. Unreal display of dominance.
You know, I actually thought that Omos could be in some peril here, going against two superstars, two men, in Apollo Crews and Commander Aziz. In case of point right here, where it seemed like, hey, the tag team alliance of Aziz and Crews would actually pay off.
But Omos was able to regain his bearings, unfortunately for Crews and Aziz. Another reminder of what dominance feels like when you are dealing with Monday Night Raw's personal colossus.
Omos would tell Apollo Crews, this is your fault.
It doesn't matter how big they are. It doesn't matter how many of them they are. All that means I am undefeated and I am unstoppable. And anybody who has the balls, the balls, to step up against me and No More Goo, whether it's here Monday Night Raw or at WrestleMania, they are all gonna be dominated.
Conviction in the eyes of Omos, and with good reason. We've said it before. Allow me to repeat myself. There is not a mortal man walking God's green earth who is ready for the dominance provided by Omos.
Oh, WrestleMania bringing the emotions out of everyone, bringing some very dark emotions out of Edge.